In this video, we are going to see how to build a Java application using Maven in Azure DevOps and how to do the analysis using SonarQube. The very first thing, if you want to use SonarQube, is to add the SonarQube extension from Marketplace. I have already added it, so I am able to see all these tasks related to SonarQube. Otherwise, you can go to the marketplace and click on get it free, and then you'll be able to use just like this. You can click on get it free for SonarQube, and you'll be able to add the task related to SonarQube in your Azure DevOps build pipeline. Usually, we run the analysis. This is the best step while when you want to do analysis on your code, static analysis, you add the task before building the code. So that's why I have added this task prepare analysis on SonarQube. You will give a name as per your requirement. Then you will add the SonarQube server endpoint. So before adding the endpoint, we have to create a virtual machine, install SonarQube, set up SonarQube server in that particular VM, give it public access from our browser, and then the SonarQube server endpoint will be available to us. We also have to create a service connection for SonarQube in Azure DevOps. So we'll add the server endpoint, then we will add the project key and the project name. Project name is not mandatory, we just have to add the project key, and you can get it from the SonarQube. You have to log in using your admin username and password and copy the key. So we prepare analysis. After that, we add the Maven task. Maven task searches for the pom.xml file. Once it gets the file, it does the configuration, building, packaging, everything, and then those files are copied from default working directory to the artifact staging directory on our agent machine. And if we want to see them in the pipeline, then we do that using the publish artifact task. So from the artifact staging directory, we uh, take all the files, jar files, to a folder named drop. You can change it, and once that is done, we are publishing it into Azure pipeline. Another option is to use a file share, but as far as we are concerned, we will see the draw we want to see the raw folder in Azure pipeline itself, and that's how the configuration for build pipeline is done. And then you just have to click on queue and run your pipeline. If you want to change the agent, then you can change it from here, and the branch where your code is residing, you can also change it. And you can also change the agent pool. If you have created a different agent pool for yourself, you can also change the variables and everything, and just click on run. Thank you for your time. Have a good day.